Okay, this video is a request. It's to show how you can use some of the functionality of connecting Google Drive to um, D2L. So first I'm going to go to this page. You need, for you and your students, you want to make sure you have the Google Apps widget on your D2L site. So this is the home page. And here's the widget. I'm actually already logged in. I don't know if I have one that it's not. I think because I've logged in once, it shows up across all of them. But again, quick reminder, if you come to the bottom of the page, manage home page, find the one that's active, edit it, you can add in the Google widget by adding widget. If I remember correctly, there's two. Notice up here, there's one that says Access Google Apps, and then if you scroll, there's Google Apps. I forget which one. One works, one doesn't. I apologize. Well, let's see. What's this one called? That one's called Google Apps. So I'm pretty sure it's this one that's Google Apps, not Access Google Apps. Okay, so you need to first have that widget on the home page, and then ask your students to sign into the widget. So when it's not signed in, I guess I could probably log out. Let's see. Will it let me? When it's not signed in, there's kind of a prompt there that says, would you like to sign into your Google Drive? So make sure they sign in. Now, what that allows, I'm going to a course where I have student status, if you will. What that allows, the main thing at least, I haven't explored it in its entirety. Let's see here, I think it's Capstone. It allows when you are submitting work for something. So down here, there's the little submit button. Oh, here we go. At the bottom. Okay, so down here, add file. What my option is now, look over here on the left. My option is I now have a Google Drive option because I've synced with Google Drive. And if I click on that, it will allow me to search and try to find stuff in my Google Drive. Please note, it's not clean and simple. What it probably is doing, again, I haven't said, is whatever's the most recently edited document is going to what shows up here. And also, please notice it says type Microsoft Word. It converts. Oh, that's weird. Um, Yeah, there we go. I'm like making sure to check. It converts Google Docs. So if there's a document that's in Google Docs, sitting over in Google Docs, and the student worked on it and the student revised it, and it has all that nice history and stuff, um, when it's turned in via Google Drive, D2L converts it to a Microsoft Word. So at that point, the doc that is being submitted is a snapshot of whatever the Google Doc is. Um, so I confess, if I'm having students do work in Google Drive, I actually prefer that they drop in the link to their actual document, because then I can see um, if they've tinkered with it since they submitted it. I can see the history of the document. That gets all erased when it's kind of cut off from the doc submitted that way. But that's what happens, or at least that's an option with assignments. My guess, and again, I apologize, I haven't explored, any time that you or the students can add a file to the course, once you've linked your G Drive, it will allow for that connection and that option.